Select Football Hobby Box. All right, good luck, Sean. Thank you. Let's see what we can get. Some nice Burrow and Herberts. Empty box. Here we go. Got rookie Bryan Edwards. Josh Jacobs. Silver Matt Stafford selections. Silver rookie Chase Claypool. And a Kyler Murray. Rookie for the Browns, Jedrick Willis. Jacob Eason rookie. Brett Favre snapshots for the Packers. Got silver, club level, Justin Jefferson. Nice rookie there for the Vikings. There you go, Shaun. And rookie, Michael Pittman Jr. Colts. Julio Jones. We've got Jalen Reagor. Club level. Got Red Mojo. Rookie, Devin Duvernay. Club level. 39 of 49. Nice one there. 39 of 49. 3 more on 1-5. Nice one there. All right, let me write that down. 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. Got it, Brandon. Thank you. And auto, we've got silver of Geno Atkins for the Bengals. Geno Atkins rookie. That is out of 199. And Alex Smith. Rookie, Chase Young. Josh Allen. We've got blue checkerboard, Rob Gronkowski out of 149. Nice Gronk. Silver, Adam Thielen, Vikings. And field level, Joe Montana in his Chiefs uni. It's funny to see him in his cards with him in a Chiefs uniform. Kyler, we've got Denzel Mims rookie. Tricolor rookie, Tua Tagovailoa. Nice hit there, Shaun. Premier level, 126 of 199. Very nice. Uh-oh, Cody, that's cool. Weren't you asking for a Tebow helmet too? Silver rookie, Damon Arnett. And Dante Culpepper field level. Get that to a magged for you. Haskins, Jason Moore rookie. Alex Smith selections. We have silver field level Antonio Gibson for the football team. And Patrick Mahomes II. Alvin Kamara. We've got Todd Gurley II club level. Blue, Joshua Kelly rookie. Checkerboard out of 175. Silver, Zach Moss. And Derek Brown rookie. All right, still looking for another auto. Should be an RPA. And then we're also looking for a memorabilia piece. Jordan Fuller rookie. Patrick Mahomes, silver. Snapshots. There you go. Yeah, I was about to say, Cody. That's funny. Nice one there. Got another nice one. Silver. Rookie Jalen Hurts. Nice Hurts rookie. Concourse level. And Henry Ruggs III rookie. All right. Minshew, CJ Henderson rookie. Got Tua rookie selections. Silver rookie for the Rams, Cam Akers. And Carson Wentz. Jordan Love rookie. We've got Antonio Gandy Golden rookie. Up next, out of 99, we have a DK Metcalf patch. Nice DK out of 199. Silver club level Lamar Jackson and Keyshawn Vaughn rookie. All right, Joshua Kelly rookie. Cam Newton. We've got Drew Lock Phenoms. Silver Khalil Mack. And Devin Duvernay rookie. All right, last pack here for you, Shaun. Got rookie Patrick Queen. David Johnson. We've got white Alex Smith. Alex Smith white. And we've got out of 25, Cherry Judy. That Alex Smith is out of 35. I'll sleeve that in a second. Nice. RPA. Tie-dye. Cherry Judy. Sheesh. Nice hit there. I'll mag that one for you as well, Shaun. Nice. I am not sure, La Familia. I am not sure on that one. It is out of 35, Alex Smith. And last card, Darnell Mooney. All right, Shane, that'll do it for you. Congrats on those hits. Thanks so much for hopping in, and we'll get this right out to you.